Welcome back to our channel. So the next question is, an electrician wants to repair an electric connection on a pole of height 9 meters. Okay. So let us suppose to take a electric pole of height 9 meters. Okay. Let AB be the pole. Okay. So height of the pole is 9 meters given in the question. Okay. So electrician wants to repair an electric connection on a pole of height 9 meters. So let us suppose to take, let AB be the pole. So let AB be the pole. So AB equal to, it is given that 9 meters in the question. Okay. So he needs to reach 1.8 meters below the top of the pole to do the repair work. Okay. So he needs to reach 1.8 meters below the top. So here A is the foot of the pole and B is the top of the pole. So he needs to reach 1.8 meters below the top of the pole. Okay. So he needs to reach 1.8 meters below the top of the pole. So let C be the point where the repair is done. Okay. So that means the distance between BC is 1.8 meters. Okay. So what should be the length of the ladder which he should use when he climbs it at an angle of 60 degrees with the ground? Okay. So let us place a ladder at this point C. Okay. So this ladder makes an angle 60 degrees with the ground. It is given in the question. Okay. So let CD be the length of ladder. So in the question it is mentioned that the ladder makes an angle of 60 degrees with the ground. Okay. So that means the CD ladder makes an angle 60 degrees with ground. Okay. So we have to find the length of ladder. That means we have to find the value of CD and what will be the distance between the foot of the ladder and the foot of the pole. So that means we have to find the distance between foot of ladder is D and foot of pole is A. Okay. That means we have to find the distance between A and D. Okay. So AD, we have to find AD value. So first we have to find the length of ladder CD and we have to find the distance between foot of ladder and foot of pole, that is AD. Okay. So let us suppose to take AB be the pole. Okay. And CD be the ladder. CD be the ladder. Okay. And BC, C be a point where repair is done. Okay. So C be a point where repair work is done. Okay. So BC equal to 1.8 meters. So given in the question. Therefore, from the figure, so we can obtain AC value. So if we subtract BC value from AB, so AB value it is given that 9 meters. Okay. So AB value is 9 meters. So from this 9, if we subtract BC, then we get AC. Okay. From the figure, AC equal to AB minus BC. So it equal to AB value is 9 minus BC value is 1.8. So 9 minus 1.8 is 7.2 meters. So therefore AC value is 7.2 meters we have obtained. Okay. So now, so in triangle ACD, so angle D equal to 60 degrees. It is given in the question. Okay. Angle ADC equal to 60 degrees. Okay. So since the ladder makes an angle of 60 degrees with the ground, it implies that angle ADC equal to 60 degrees. Okay. So here we are taking angle ADC as 60 degrees. So in triangle ADC, now in triangle ADC, so angle 60 degrees, opposite side of 60 degrees is AC. So it is obtained from the given data. Okay, 7.2. So we have to find hypotenuse. Okay. So since the pole will be in vertical position, so the side opposite to this pole is considered as hypotenuse. So opposite by hypotenuse. Okay. So that means if we apply sine here, okay, if we apply sine 60, then we can find the value of CD. Okay. So now in triangle ADC, okay. So sine 60 equal to AC by CD. Okay, so sine 60 equal to AC by CD. Okay, opposite side by hypotenuse. Okay, sine 60 equal. So it implies the sine 60 value we know that root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 equal to AC value it is given that. Sorry, it is obtained that 7.2 meters. Okay, 7.2 by CD. So if we cross multiply, okay, so root 3 into CD equal to 7.2 into 2. So it implies that this root 3 gets divided with the right side term. That means CD equal to 7.2 into 2 by root 3. Okay. So now multiply both numerator and denominator by root 3. That means CD equal to 7.2 into 2 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3. So here we are multiplied both numerator and denominator with root 3. Okay. So it implies CD equal to 7.2 into 2 into root 3 by, so root 3 into root 3 is 3. Okay. So 3 2 is 6. 1.2 that means 12. 3 4 is 12, that means 2.4. Okay. So 2.4 into 2 into root 3. Okay. So that means root 3 value. So root 3 value we know that we can substitute 1.732. Okay. So CD equal to 2.4 into 2 into 1.732. So in place of root 3 we have substituted 1.732. Okay. So now multiply 2.4 into 2 into 1.732. Okay. So we can multiply here. Okay. 1.732 into 2. Okay. 1.732 into 2.4. Let us multiply 2.4. Okay. 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 2 1. 4 7 is 28 plus 1 is 29. 9 4 1 is 4 plus 2 is 6. Okay. So 2 2 is again 4 2 3 is 6, 2 7 is 14, 4 1. 2 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. So 8, 6, 15, 11, 4. Okay. So 1 digit, 1 2 3 digit. So 3 digit before 3 digit point, before 1 digit, that means before 4 digits point. 4.1568. So into again 2. So that means 2 8 is 16. 2 6 is 12 plus 1 is 13. 2 5 is 10 plus 1 is 11. 2 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 4 is 8. Okay. So 8.3136 meters. So this is the length of the ladder. Okay. So length of the ladder CD is 8.3136. Okay. So what will be the distance? So we have what should be the length of the ladder? So we have find the length of the ladder. So again in the question it is asked to find that what will be the distance between the foot of the ladder and foot of the pole. Okay. So we have to find the AD. Okay. Foot of the ladder is AD and foot of the pole is A. So that means we have to find the value of AD. Okay. So in triangle ACD, in the same triangle, so this angle 60, AD is adjacent to angle 60. So we have to find the adjacent. So here opposite side is obtained from the given data. Okay. So A is opposite by adjacent. That means if we apply tan here, we can find the AD value. Okay. So now in the same triangle ADC, tan 60 equal to AC by AD, opposite by adjacent. Okay. So it implies that tan 60 value we know that root 3. Okay. So root 3 equal to AC value we have obtained is 7.2 meters by AD. Okay. So AD comes to the left side and root 3 comes to the right side, get divided. Okay. That means AD equal to 7.2 by root 3. Okay. So it implies that AD equal to 7.2 by root 3 into multiply both numerator and denominator with root 3. That means root 3 by root 3. Okay. So AD equal to 7.2 into root 3 by root 3 into root 3 is 3. Again same 3 2 is 6. Okay. So 1.2 that means 12. That means 3 4 is 12. So 2.4. So 2.4 into root 3. Okay. So AD equal to 2.4 into, so root 3 value we can substitute 1.732. Okay. So 1.732 we have substituted. So 2.4 into 1.732. So 2.4 into 1.732. So here we have obtained the value is 4.1568. Okay. So equal to 4.1568. Okay. So this is the answer. So therefore the length of the ladder is 8.3136 meters and the distance between the foot of the ladder and the foot of the pole here is 4.1568 meters. So this is the answer. We shall discuss the next question. And the next question is, a boat has to cross a river. It crosses the river by making an angle 60 degrees to the bank of the river due to the stream of the river. Okay. So this is the width of the river. Okay. Okay, so let this be the width of the river. A boat has to cross a river. It crosses the river by making an angle 60 degrees with the bank of the river. It is given. So let A be the initial position of boat. Okay. So it crosses the river by making an angle 60 degrees with the bank of the river. Okay, so boat is, so let AB be the distance traveled by the boat. Okay, so it crosses the river by making an angle 60 degrees with this bank. It is given in the question. And travels a distance of 600 meters to reach the another side. So that means the distance it is given that 600 meters. Distance traveled by the boat is AB is 600 meters. So what is the width of the river? So we have to find the width of the river. Okay, so that means, so draw a line perpendicular. Okay, so this BC is the width of the river. Okay, so this perpendicular line is straight line. Okay, so this BC is the width of the river. Let us suppose today, let AB is the distance traveled by boat. Okay, distance traveled by boat. Okay. And BC be the width of the AB value. It is given that AB equal to 600 meters. Okay, so BC is the width of the river. So in the question it is given that the boat makes an angle 60 degrees with the bank of the river. Okay, so given that boat makes an angle 60 degrees the bank of the river. Bank of the river. So it implies that angle BAC equal to 60 degrees. Okay, angle BAC equal to 60 degrees. Okay, so now in triangle ABC, so here BC is the side opposite to the 60 degrees and AB is the hypotenuse. Since BC is the perpendicular line, so AB is considered as the hypotenuse here. Okay, so opposite and hypotenuse. So that means if we apply sine function here, okay, so sine 60 equal to BC by AB, so we can find the value of BC. Okay, so in triangle ABC, okay, so sine A equal to BC by AB. Okay, so since we know that sine theta equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, so sine A equal to opposite side to A by hypotenuse. Okay, so sine A, that means sine 60 equal to, so BC by AB value given that 600 meters. Okay, so it implies that sine 60 value we know that root 3 by 2. Okay, so root 3 by 2 equal to BC by 600 meters. Okay, so 600 comes to the left side and gets multiplied with the left side term. That means root 3 by 2 into 600 equal to BC. Okay, so 2 3 is the 6, that means 300. So 300 into root 3 equal to BC value. Okay, so root 3 value we can take it as 1.732. Okay, so since root 3 is taken as 1.732 into 300, we can write this 300 as, so 100 into 3 into 100, we can write this 300 as 3 into 100. Okay, equal to BC. Okay, 300 is written as 3 into 100 and root 3 value we have substituted here is 1.732. Okay. So now 100 into 1.732, that means this point shift, since there are two zeros, the point shift 2 digits to the right side, that means 173.2 into the 3. Okay, so here 100 into 1.732 value is 173.2. Okay, so now 173.2 into 3, that means 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, 3 7 is 21, 1 into 3 1 is 3 plus 2 is 5. So 519.6 meter equal to BC. Okay, so therefore width of the river BC equal to, we have obtained 519.6 meters. So this is the answer.